Hello guys, today we are playing MEEP City on Roblox. So this is my first video. I do not really know what to do, so I'm just gonna go on MEEP City and do it. Okay, it's loading, come on. Already all makers Okay. Wait, okay. Okay, this is me. Okay. I really love my skin. This is me, and I'm just gonna. I don't really know what to do for this video, so I'm just gonna, yeah, do stuff. Do stuff like what I always do with my friends. When this with me. Sorry if I keep coughing. I have a sickness. So I have sickness, so yeah, I have sickness. So I'm just gonna play. That's there. Okay, come on, man. I'm here. Nice skin, dude. Oh, I look like the game. Oh, you what? Okay. Protect me, potato, dito, left me, wow. Are you serious? That's why you call it big? Really big? That's awful. No. No, no. This looks so rough. Okay, I can hear. Wait, what? I thought I. My goodness. Are you sure? Are you sure? Pet. What's going on? What's that? Say me. What? Okay. So, okay. Wait. What? It's not the description. Oh no! The description. That is my little crazy and yeah, all of that. So, I'm just gonna go. So yeah. Okay. I'm here. I just went crazy and all of that. So okay. The school. Cafe. School. I'm going to school. Yeah. School. Well, no, 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 fine. I stole the apple, and now we free the world. What? What I just okay. We're going to Cafe Malay. Oh, in the pizza. Anyone here? Can I just steal stuff? Because it's my lucky day. Let me get this. My lucky day, having donuts. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. I'm gonna eat all of this. I'm going to just do that. Wow, I can't believe I just failed right there. Oh, what the? Am I even moving? Oh, this is just, wow. I have no idea. Wait, what I just attacked what? For that, like always. Oh. Where's the food that way? Where's the stuff? Okay, I have no idea what to do. Okay, I'm just gonna skip now. Okay, hi, what? Welcome to my house. Yeah, it's Christmas right now, so I just made like some Christmas. So good here, so much changing. Like new friends. I'm gonna add more of you. Just wait. And I will add more of you. Make a dance floor. What are you doing? Are you eating or are you drinking? Anyways, this is my chair. Just gonna eat my donut quietly. Hey, dude. Run away from this monster! Okay. Did that. Oh, let me just type something to them. Recording. Okay, I said so. Guys, I think I have to end it. Video. This has been really fun recording my first video. Please leave like 5 likes and yeah, I'll get the business. I'll see you later, okay? Bye gamer. It was good. I'm not saying so. Bye gamer. Okay. Okay, let me see you next.